This is all sawdust. That is sawdust. And I looked it up, and they are, I gotta clean everything. So they are responsible for covering the pool. The example that was used was if I was painting your house and your car was in the driveway, it's my responsibility to cover your car from getting damaged. So they're supposed to cover it, but I found a 5 mil cover. I'm gonna cover over there. But yeah, that sawdust damaged the pool, but hopefully I can get it all out. Sawdust in the manifold. Zoom in. All sawdust. And that stuff doesn't filter through, so it just gets pushed back out in the pool, and that's what's staining the pool floor. This is what it's supposed to look like. Nice and clean. So what happens is the sawdust is just so thick, it clogs up in the system and doesn't allow filtration. And then it just it just gets put back out there and just sits. It's so heavy. The sediments are heavy and it just sits on the bottom of the pool and just starts connecting to the paint.